Probably not. I have different right now pair of glasses because I just always switch, when I just want to switch or just feel uncomfortable with them already. So I switched back to my default glasses, and to be honest, this one's a little bit heavier, but you really like them. Anyway, it's not about that. I just want to share my opinion about it. So maybe right now I'm just watching my apartment tour, and I just want to give a little bit information about it. I live in a private accommodation. I live in private apartment studio, and to be honest, I really like the studio. I really like the apartment. That's one of the important things I really want. So it's a private bathroom, and I got it. So, and to be honest, I didn't buy anything extra for my apartment. Everything that I need for kitchen or bedroom sheets, etc. All how to call it, furniture is available. So that's one of the pluses to live in a private apartment. I mean, not private apartment accommodation. That's great. I thought, to be honest, I got wrong idea that the accommodation was only for students, but it's not. So there are different types of apartments here. So I think I got the default one, and it's about 25 quadrat meters. I think so. I don't know. I'm just sitting, and yeah, probably you're just wondering right now how much I pay for it. The rent I pay for is €619 per month, and I think there are maybe a little bit cheaper types of apartments. Just maybe the most cheapest is 550, I mean, and up to, I don't know, 800 probably. There are 2-bedroom apartments too. By the way, I just forgot to mention the caution. The caution is almost the double of the rent. Yeah, it's more than 1,000 I just paid for it. Yeah, and I use the service Spotted Home. It's not sponsored by Spotted Home, unlikely. But anyway, I use Spotted Home. That's internet service that provide you contacts of all landlords and show you the all apartments here in Germany and Netherlands, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and you have to just connect to them, pay the fees. Fees a little bit too much, I would say. It's €150. Yeah, it's probably too much. Yeah, anyway, yeah, and after that, easily you get the apartment if you just pay for it. Why do you have to choose this type of apartment? If you don't want to worry about, talking to landlord, doing some interviews, talking to tenants, and waiting for days until you will get a room or not get. As me, probably I won't get. It will be much harder for me to get a room in, let's say, in a shared flat or somewhere else. It is really it's not easy. It's known here problem to find a place, especially in big cities. So if you just don't want any about this, you can technically afford this place like this. Go for it. It's easy to get, and the question of money if you can afford it. That's all. I really recommend people who can have a work or something else. They live by themselves. They don't have any family, pets. Technically, pets you don't have to, but you can talk about that. But yeah, it's worth it. Sure, I really like it. This is for today. I hope you liked the video and give me a like and subscribe to my channel to support my videos. So if you have any extra questions, just leave in the comments, and I'm excited to answer them.